Hello, violin and viola players. This is Miss Sanford here. I'm going to give you a very quick rundown of how to hold your bow correctly. So this is the bow. The bow doesn't have many parts. It has the bottom where we hold it. It's called the frog, the stick, the tip, which is the end of it, and the horsehair. This is the horsehair, and it's made of actual, real horsehair. When they give the horses a haircut, they clean it and then they make bows out of it. Okay? The horsehair is very, very fragile, so we do not want to touch it. We do not ever grab our bow like this because the oils from our hands and our skin will go onto the bow, and then the bow won't make any sound anymore. So we always want to hold it by the bottom, by the frog, or the stick part like this. Okay. So a couple of reminders before I show you. This is called the silver because it is the silver color. This dot is the pearl. Remember, if you did not have a pearl, I gave you a sticker, and that is your pearl. This is the grip. Okay. So the first thing you do is you make your bunny. This is your bunny with your bent thumb. You don't want a fox. No straight fingers. Always, always in violin and viola, we want relaxed and curved, round fingers. So the first step we do is bent thumb on the silver. Right here. Bent thumb on silver. Make sure it's bent and not straight like that. So relaxed, bent thumb on silver. Your huggers are going to flop down to the pearl. Your huggers are your middle and ring fingers, and they just flop over like bunny ears. Your lazy snake is your pointer finger, and he is so lazy. He just lies on the grip. And you want to make sure the biggest knuckle, your big knuckle, is what is leaning on the grip, not your pointer finger. If this happens, you need to relax your hand and rotate it so that your knuckle is the one that is lying on the grip. Then your curved pinky sits on the tip and guards the ship. Now, if your pointer finger, if your lazy snake is lying on the knuckle, your pinky is going to fall in place. Okay? So if your pinky is like this, it's probably because your pointer finger is not in its correct spot. So I have to rotate my hand. Okay, here we go. And you want your whole hand, like if I were to put a marble on top of my pinky knuckle, it would just go, you would want it to fall this way, towards the bow. Remember, don't squeeze your bow. We're not squeezing it like this. If this happens, you need to shake your hand out and relax it like a dead zombie hand. And then place it back. You want to pretend your bow is like a big marshmallow that you just want to hold very gently with the tips of your fingers, and you don't want to squish it. Okay, so I'm going to review this again. Bent thumb on silver, huggers down to the pearl, lazy snake leans and lies, curved pinky sits on the tip and guards the ship. Room for Dunkin' Donuts Munchkin. You want this space in here. Room for Dunkin' Donuts Munchkin. All right. Happy practicing. Practice with a pencil or a pen 5 times a day, and then you can practice with your bow. I'll see you in class. Bye.